Hello dear people, today I wanted to check if one of the tools will work as I expect, because I want to test one tool called Blend. What this tool does, it can merge your polygon, but I have one polygon of the fence which has two holes which I was drilling, but I want to test how Blend will work. Because this tool should work okay, but I will be testing this tool. But we need probably to do mirror copy of the object. What access have we got? Access Z. I would like to use option freeze all transforms to avoid any issues. Edit. Duplicate instantiate options. -1. We have some advanced settings. But I wouldn't mess with those settings because I still have to study some of the settings. Okay. So we copied. Okay, after that I want to reset history, and I want to check how Blend tool will work. I think I will have to put higher value. I see some strange weird errors. You can see I automatically connected two separate polygons. Tool works without any problem, depending what value are you using. We can merge other things. I will delete that. So we have one single original copy. I don't know if I published video tutorial how to use the Blend option. I'm not sure, probably in old video. I hope you will like my new updated video tutorial. Also, if you face any problems with displaying gizmo or polygon or bevel, you can use one option in transform. It's called freeze all transforms, freeze scaling, freeze rotation. This helped me to fix issue with gizmo, and sometimes I was facing issue with bevel edges. I hope you like video tutorial. See you guys.